Hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my whole got talent.
Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tips, and before we begin, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Okay guys, so I've received this parcel from Amazon. I had ordered something yesterday, last night, and today in the morning I've received this package. So let me quickly unbox this, and you can check the video description and the video title. Yes, it is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. A big thanks to Amazon for quick delivery. I'd selected 1-day delivery for this product, and here it is. The Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm so sorry for the reflections that you can see on the screen. So let's pull this up. Here it is, the S10 Plus, and this is the sapphire blue if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure about this, so let me quickly check what exactly is here. You've got the pin to insert SIM cards, eject the SIM tray rather. Let me open this up, and we've got the quick start guide, the instructions manual, and everything here. So this one is an instruction to how to transfer contacts and data to this phone. The warranty card is here, and then we have also got a cover. I'd received this in Note 8 as well. Let's quickly pull this up and look at the color. It looks great. Yes, you can see me smiling. I love this phone. Here we have got the adapter. This is the fast charging adapter from Samsung. I'd received this in Galaxy S6 Edge and Note 8 as well. You've also got a dongle, so iPhone users, we get a dongle with every Samsung phone nowadays. And here is the most probably cable to connect the phone with the charging adapter. It is white in this case with S10 Plus. And here it is, the AKG earphones. I don't know how exactly we need to unbox it, but I'm sorry, I did not check that. This is something that you expect from a smartphone like S10 Plus, Note 8, Note 9, and AKG has done a great job with their earphones that they provide with the Galaxy series and the Note series. I don't know, the color looks amazing. This is a completely different color. I'd ordered Note 8 in gold color if I'm not wrong. What do we call it? Gold or sapphire gold, something like that. And that color is also good, but then a blue shade is great. Let's go. Okay, so we don't have to press there, we just need to select all. Next, wireless cable charging, skip this for now. Okay, so we'll skip it. I'll do all of that afterwards. Now I'll connect to the Wi-Fi network. Let me enter the password. And we are connected. Let's hit next. Checking for updates. This is something that happens every time you switch on a smartphone, a Samsung smartphone. I'm sure about this for the first time. Now I need to sign in. I would skip that for now. Use location services, accept, not now, skip anyway. Let's get this sorted quickly. I just want to have a look at the display with the wallpaper. The ratio, the screen ratio is amazing. I mean, you cannot see anything in the borders. I mean, the bezel, this is a completely bezel-less display with a notch. Whoa, amazing, man. The display looks amazing, and trust me, if you check the display, it looks pretty clear. No distortion whatsoever. I can see everything clearly on the screen here. So we'll set it up, and I will make another video on Note 8's experience that I've had for the last 1.5 years, 2 years, I don't know. And then I'll make a video about Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus